Wagwan YouTube, you know it's your boy Click Man, and we're back with another reaction. Today we're gonna be looking at America's dumbest criminals. I know you guys see clips all around, whether it's Instagram, any form of social media of people doing dumb stuff, like stealing candy right in front of a police officer, like shit like that, man. Like people do some dumb shit and they think they're gonna get away with it. So that's what we're gonna be looking at today, man. If you guys are new to the channel, you're free to stay. Hit that sub button, man. Turn on post notifications. Drop a like. Comment down below. Let me know which one of these is your favorite one. Which one of these guys do you think is the dumbest, man? And I'll see you guys in the next one, man. Peace.
Sounds like they're flushing toilets. Sounds like it. The reason we're here is we got a little bit of a report.
Nah, she ain't doing drugs, man. She looks sober.
As far as the phone, a lot of calls. You
My
guys,
daughter.
daughter.
My daughter and his boss, and that's it.
So you're not using drugs anymore.
No, sir. I've been clean.
Can we come in and talk to you about all this good stuff?
Yeah, you can come in and talk
Sure.
to me.
Sure, man.
No drugs anywhere around here. We
Nah.
can take a quick peek for any speed, needles, pipes, anything like that.
Well, I just got here from work.
We just got
okay.
in from work, and I was, like I said, I was laying down because I've had a migraine for the last 3 days.
Would you guys mind having a seat over here on this bed for just 1 second?
Cause anybody any problems or nothing else, you know. They told me when.
Oh.
Oh, what the hell?
Whoa. Yeah.
Yo, that what the hell was so bad. I don't know if it's because she's probably high, but why would you even put it there? Like, come on, man. You don't think that they would have flipped that shit? That was so funny. Like, oh, what the hell? How did that get there? Let's see.
Hell
Just
is
comes
this?
out of nowhere.
Yes, sir. Can I say one thing?
You
Please.
go. You can say anything you
I
want.
swear to God, we just moved in
We
this
just
room.
moved into this room. There's
These aren't ours.
things all over.
Obviously, they didn't clean in here
So
at
don't.
all.
Okay,
I'm
well then.
not lying. I swear to God, you guys, I'm not lying.
You have a known drug dealer's name in here.
Who?
That phone was given to her by my boss. That
Yeah.
phone was given to her.
Because
And,
we
and
were
the
homeless.
story just goes on and on and on. Whose would it be?
Whoever was in the same person that left these, I would imagine. These are gay magazines, sir. These are not ours. I swear to God.
And it's not yours. We've heard that a million times.
I'm
already.
sure that
We
you
don't
have.
believe
I know. Everybody's innocent.
Okay.
I know this.
Right.
You're not being
Yo,
right.
she
you're
is
lying
so
to us. No, you're not
funny.
being right.
No, I'm not. I'm not lying to you.
Wait,
He
what?
asked, "Is it okay? I'm 28," and she says, "Yeah." Is it okay? I'm 13. And
God,
he
these
says,
niggas
"I'm
are
fine with it."
fucked, bro.
She's in place over there sitting on the bench. We have our arrest team parked nearby. Blue jeans, white shirt, Asian male.
God, these niggas are so weird, bro. What is he doing? Why is he rolling his neck like that?
What are you here for, sir?
Huh?
What are you here for?
I'm just driving around.
Okay, for what?
Nothing.
He's got the map showing directions to here.
Good. You recognize this fellow here?
Yeah,
Who is that?
looks like me.
It is you.
It looks like
Okay, why don't you go and step out of the car?
he said it looks like me.
That's definitely him. You know, he gets out of the car real quick and starts walking towards you. Probably got within, I'm saying, at least 15 feet of you. Then he's doing this, like looking around. And all of a sudden, I don't know if he's realized you weren't the person or whatever. Then he started walking back. Then he's doing the old felony stretch, you know, doing this stuff, looking around.
Like I said, the felony
He admits
stretch.
that, he was probably going to have sex with her.
All right, so you brought those condoms and the possibility that you might,
We just
Yeah.
received a call of a
Bro,
possible
why are
burglary in
niggas like that?
progress.
They're like those niggas. I don't want to be promoting no type of violence, but like, what kind of fuckery is that?
Occupant 113, Rialto PD, come out.
Now,
I mean, motels, you're gonna see fuckery. Like, let's be real.
I wasn't trying to break the window. I was just trying to open this so I could get a Play-Doh.
What did he say? Did this nigga just say, I was trying to open the window so I can get Play-Doh? What kind of lie is that?
This is the window that the witness saw him breaking into.
Before this guy moved out, his kids would borrow some of our kids' toys, and I helped him move out.
okay, but why not go to the manager and ask the manager, say, hey, can you come over here, open this so I can see if my kids' Play-Doh's in there and stuff like that?
I didn't think about that.
If you could have just opened the door, just let us in, we could have dealt with this man to man. We didn't have to go through all
Bro,
this
this nigga's
stuff.
been in tears the whole time.
Don't you think that was unnecessary?
Yes, but I didn't realize that.
He must be high, bro. No way a grown man crying like this for that.
Do you have probable cause for pulling over?
Walk back to the sound of my voice.
done absolutely nothing wrong.
He's got some skimmers or scanners. He's got other people's IDs in here.
Oh fuck, my nigga, why you driving around with that shit in your car, fam?
So,
oh
that's
my
what
God.
you know, the credit card skimmer things. He's got all these cell phones.
Where'd you get those? I found them.
You found them?
Copy that. Do we have blue jeans or anything further on it?
Bro, this is what I tell people all the time, man. Like, if you want to lie, you want to steal, whatever, do your thing, man. Like, some way or another, you know, obviously you'll get caught, whatever. But if you're not even fucking good at this shit, don't do it. You look stupid. The nigga just said he found credit card scanners at the gym. Bro, shut up. Or if he just knew his rights and just not said a fucking thing to them.
You keep them because I was gonna give them back. Honestly, at some point I was gonna give them back. I don't know why I was holding on to them.
At some point.
You know that some of them have been gone for over 2 years. When were you gonna get around to getting them back to them?
I haven't had them for over 2 years.
How long have you had them?
Maybe 3-4 months.
You know that some of the people that those cards that you have actually filed police reports because someone's obtained their personal information through those cards and opened bank accounts.
A call of a man who's on a bicycle yelling at traffic. He appears to be under the influence, and we have a lieutenant on scene. Apparently, he's just gone inside a video store. What are you on, Angel?
Angel does.
What is that right there?
Yo, this nigga said he's high on life. Don't kill me, bro.
Methamphetamine pipe?
A methamphetamine pipe. Okay.
How come you knocked over the display? I drank one Pacifico and I started stumbling, man.
How old are you right now, Angel?
18.
18, huh? What are you doing with alcohol?
Bro, that's how crystal meth does people, bro. Do you see that nigga talking about he's 18? The nigga looks like he's older than me. That is wild. If it wasn't for his voice, you wouldn't even know that he might be young, bro. That is crazy.
Drinking it.
He parked illegally, at least. That's right.
I'm telling you, I obey the law.
You obey the law, huh?
I try my best.
The clerk told me, oh yeah, I remember him. He came in and applied for a job 2 days ago. He comes in to check the status of his application, tells the guy, you know what, don't even call me.
Is it pretty typical that you go in to find a job while you're under the influence and intoxicated?
Typical?
Yeah.
Not really, sir. All I do is just try to work and work and work.
Angel,
I like you feel bad for this guy.
Blaine's house. I'm gonna find his truck. We've got active warrants on Billy for felony battery, domestic violence. The truck he left on the other day is back at the residence. We're just gonna hang out until the other unit gets here so we can cover the front and the back and see if we can get some contact at the door.
All the time masturbating on in the middle of it.
Bro, what did she say? Why are you telling them that? Like, they're gonna be like, oh, she said she's masturbating. That must be what she was doing. It's all good. We believe you. Why the fuck do they think this would work?
I'm sorry?
I was masturbating. That's what I was doing.
Okay.
Okay, I'm kind of a little pissed off, but...
Well, I can't unhear that. I just want to know where Billy's
Same.
at.
Huh?
I just want to know where Billy's at.
I don't know where Billy had...
Okay.
I haven't seen him.
Okay.
Hey, you could have just said...
From what she said, she was watching a porno and masturbating when we got there.
All right.
Apparently we interrupted her.
Oh, she was upset.
We're gonna dead end here in a sec. She's going off road here into she just.
It's the same lady.
We're gonna bail here. You're gonna scare your dog. Knock it off. See now you got the other dog all riled up.
Got the other dog up. Let's go.
All right.
We're going.
We're going in that flashy car there.
Yo, she's scary.
I feel like I'm gonna vomit.
Well, don't vomit, cause that's not my car. Go ahead.
You met the location. Nice right there. It's a 77-year-old male, apparently. He's upstairs in his apartment.
Yo, this...
All right, I surrender.
You ain't got no choice.
Just what are you looking for?
Just making sure you don't have any other weapons on you, sir.
What kind of weapon am I supposed to have?
I don't know, sir.
Does it take 3 niggas, though, in all honesty? Does it take 3 niggas to take down an old man, bro? Like, that's fucking wild.
No, sir, I sure didn't.
Well, better luck next time.
We found one outside, though.
He's funny.
Huh?
We found one outside.
What kind of weapon outside? I don't know how it got there. Don't ask me.
Okay, why'd you go there with a knife?
To defend myself.
Well, you can't do that, Jim. Okay?
Oh, goody two shoes for you.
Okay. All right, Jim. We need you to stand up, okay?
How can I stand up?
We'll help you.
We'll help you, Jim. What do I look like, a helicopter? Somebody
Some reasonable questions, man. How can he stand up?
Have you used any narcotics tonight?
Yeah.
What'd you use?
LSD, PCP, heroin, cocaine. What else you want to know?
Do you use narcotics?
What is a narcotic?
Dope.
Yeah.
What kind do you use?
Weed.
What kind do you use, Michael?
Cocaine.
Cocaine?
Oh, he moving like he was cocaine.
Bailed on me.
Copy, linking on.
I don't know. He's around here someplace. He just hit the fence.
Ventura and compound test.
Bring yourself to that approved?
Yeah, what's this school?
Bald guy.
That's him.
Oh my god, this nigga stopped in a porta potty to take a Oh my
Ran it right
god.
out of him.
I ain't never seen this before in my life.
Where do you live at?
I'm homeless.
So I thought you were going home, bro.
Like the plate came back not valid for highway use, which basically means the truck is unregistered. I noticed he was moving around a lot in there, which we call furtive motion. What are you doing over there?
Nah, cruising.
You're cruising?
Yes.
How much you had to drink? How many? ¿Cuántos cervezas?
But only 1, 2.
Only 1, 2?
Uno,
Well,
dos.
he's got a strong odor of alcohol in his breath, so I'll have him do a portable breath test to see where he's at. All right.
Yes.
It's no bueno. When I walked up, it looked like he was hiding something. It's possible he was just trying to grab his pants the way he's dressed. I mean, it's a little
What kind of
chilly to be
short-ass
wearing
shorts are those?
Daisy Dukes. He's got some kind
Oh,
of like
fuck.
lube or something on
What?
that cloth. So I think when we saw him at the stop sign, if I'm a betting man, I am sure he's probably masturbating, looking for love in all the wrong places.
Bro.
Do you have your registration and insurance with you?
Registration's here. I don't have insurance.
Would you be willing to come back to my vehicle so I get some information from you since you don't have a license with you? Hey, Catherine! Guess there's no stopping her now.
What's going on, man?
Yeah, she got pee.
Hey, Catherine is showing us full extradition warrant out of Colorado for parole violation and dangerous drugs.
Extradition? Oh, she just. Oh, no.
Disgusting.
Nah. Nah. You cannot pay me enough to have to deal with that and see that shit right in front of the car. That is fucking gross, bro. What the fuck was that?
What's up with that? Can you believe an adult woman would even do that? We'll talk to her about it.
I mean, I guess if you gotta go, you gotta
So
go.
what were you thinking when you used the bathroom right in front of the vehicle?
I had to. I'm telling you, I've been sick.
Why didn't you go off the side of the road?
Couldn't hold it anymore. I had to go.
He doesn't have a valid license. She has a
I mean, if you
warrant.
gotta go, you
So
gotta
at this
go, I
point,
guess.
I'm just gonna impound the vehicle. We're gonna take this female into custody and transport her to the Emery County Jail, clear up her warrants. So, you know, an interesting stop. Sometimes they can't control themselves, and I think it's just fear-induced.